What's the meaning of black mass? Black mass. Black mass.
Black mass. Black mass. Black mass is a term used to describe a ritualistic gathering of individuals who practice devil worship or other dark, occult practices. It can also refer to a specific type of Christian liturgy that celebrates the Holy Eucharist in honor of a deceased individual. In the context of popular culture, Black Mass can refer to a horror film or novel featuring demonic possession or similar themes. The term has been associated with various forms of magic and witchcraft throughout history and continues to be used in many different contexts today. Overall, it represents the idea of darkness, evil, and otherworldly power.